Welcome to the Grinding Chronicles, presented by CDT President, who we call the Diamond Defender, also known as Nick Viggiano.
I'm Nick Viggiano, President of Continental Diamond Tool, and I'd like to welcome you to the Grinding Chronicles. In this brand new series, we're going to answer common grinding questions and tackle the toughest challenges to help you maximize removal rates and optimize your grinding process. CDT designs and manufactures precision grinding products, and we develop cutting-edge techniques to improve real performance. For a half a century, our superstar engineering squad has crafted innovative solutions for some of the most complex grinding problems in the industry. In this series, they're going to share some of their insights with you. You'll learn how to get the best results in grinding by applying science rather than relying on your senses. We'll cover basic topics like conventional versus super abrasive wheels, or selecting the right material and bond for your application. We'll also tackle some tougher challenges like how to remedy poor surface finish, chatter, or burning. And this series will address productivity issues like wheel life and high cycle times. But most importantly, we want to know the type of content you want to see, because we are creating this series for you. If you have a problem, we want to help solve it. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel and drop your questions or episode ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, follow, and subscribe button, and get ready to learn something new in another episode from Continental Diamond Tool.